Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Good time to all of you. Welcome to my another video. Today I want to share with you about my English therapy journey. Actually, I want student of English therapy. There everyone tell English. When I admitted there, I was thinking I can't say English. When I go there first time, I saw everyone speaking English. That time I was shaking and I was thinking how will I say English. But when I passed 1 month, that time I could feel I can speak English. And when I passed 3 months, that time I am confident that I can tell speaking English very easy and confidently. So thank you very much for listening. Assalamu alaikum. Bye.